the military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
It's among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... What does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao? Military?
Yes, po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabi ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila na they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi. Alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kailangan trabaho yan eh. Protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if you protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again,
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? The protector, are you going to ask them that?
sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. That itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information saan na naman ang pera namin. So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo, walang sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Dapat mo sa yuda, uy.
Ayuda!
Hindi mo itong mga tao nakataon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi inakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation.